Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to 8th standard biology online class. Today we are going to learn about 6th lesson, the endocrine gland. 6th lesson, endocrine gland. The last class we studied nerve system. The nerve system means what? The sending message with the help of nerves. Example, the brain control all the organs. The brain control all the organs. So today we go to learn about the endocrine gland. What is the endocrine gland? The endocrine system control and coordinates many of the body's activities. Body activities. It consists of several glands called endocrine gland. Okay, in our body to segregate lot of glands. Okay, let's see the one by one. What is the glands? What are the glands? The endocrine glands segregate the chemical messenger, special chemical that carry message to particular organ or tissues, also called hormones. Okay, the endocrine gland is another name is what? Hormone or special chemical messenger. Okay, special chemical hormones. Okay, are you clear? Then these chemical are released directly into the bloodstream. This hormone to directly released into the bloodstream, unlike the segregations of the exocrine gland that are transported through vessels or ducts. Okay, through vessel. This is why the endocrine gland are called a ductless gland. Let us learn more about the exocrine and endocrine gland and how hormones control and coordinate the body activities. Let's see that in our body the glands have two types. The glands have how many types? Two types. One is exocrine, first one exocrine, second one endocrine. Exocrine means what? It is outer gland. Are you clear? Exocrine means what? It is outer glands. Okay, endo means, already I told, no? The endo means what? So inside our body, some gland to segregate inside our body. Okay, so exo means what? Outer. Endo means what? Inner. So exocrine gland produce chemical substance that are transported through vessels or ducts. What are the exocrine gland? These segregations may be emptied into the body cavity or organ. Body cavity or organ, or released at the body surface. For example, sweat gland produce sweat. Okay, it is removing out, the sweat gland to removing out. So that is a exocrine gland, which is expelled through pore on the skin. Okay, pancreas segregate enzymes which enter the duodenum through duct. Okay, are you clear now? So exocrine means what? To exit the glands. Example, sweat gland. Okay, for example, salivary gland, gastric gland, mammary gland. Mammary gland means producing milk. The female animals to producing milk. These are the exocrine glands, salivary gland, gastric gland and mammary gland. Okay, endocrine gland. What is the endocrine gland? Inner side, inner our body, inside our body, some glands to segregate. So what is that? Endocrine gland segregate hormone directly into the intercellular space surrounding the segregating cell. The hormone then enter the blood vessels and are carried into organs away from the gland. Hormone help in the regulating growth, development, metabolism, reproduction and several other functions. The endocrine gland segregate some purpose. What are the purpose to segregate? For growth, development, metabolism, reproduction. Okay, process. That's why to producing endocrine gland. For example, endocrine gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, testes and ovary. Again I will tell you what are the endocrine gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland and testes and ovary. Testes for in men, ovaries for in the female. Okay, the pancreas is gland within the different types of cell perform exocrine and endocrine function. Each endocrine gland segregates specific hormones for specific purpose. The difference of exocrine and endocrine gland. Exocrine gland. These glands have vessels or ducts that transport their segregation. But endocrine gland, these are ductless gland. Okay. Second point, they segregate substances such as sweat, saliva, enzyme, bills, milk and tears. So these are the exocrine to removing out sweat, saliva, enzyme, milk, tears, bills. These are this exocrine gland. But in the endocrine gland, they segregate hormones. The hormones segregate inside our body. Okay, endocrine gland. Then third point, the segregations of this gland are emptied into a body cavity or organ or released at the body surface. But endocrine gland not is like that. Hormones are released into the intercellular space and ultimately enter the bloodstream to be carried to different organs. Are you clear, students? Let's see the video. Thank you, students.